The unique part of City of Hope is it allows you to have the ability to be so focused on blood cancer, but not just any blood cancer. All of us have our own unique area of expertise. Bispecific antibodies are one of the new classes of drugs that we're the most excited about in blood cancer.
Cancers are very sophisticated. They put out signals that essentially block our body's immune system from doing what they're supposed to do. And so these T-cell engagers or bispecific antibodies, what they do is they essentially bring our body's immune system next to our cancer cells and essentially harness the power of our immune system to go and destroy the cancer cells. These T-cell engagers, many of the pivotal clinical trials for patients with relapsed lymphomas or relapsed multiple myelomas were done here at City of Hope. That led to the actual FDA approvals of many of these medications. And so a lot of them are now being moved up into earlier lines of therapy and are being employed here at City of Hope.
So what's unique about them? One, you can pick different targets. So lymphoma, you pick a different target. Myeloma, you pick a different target. I can tell you because we did the first in human trials of the bispecific antibodies at City of Hope. They changed the field of blood cancer in ways that surprised even me. Generally what happens is each time a cancer comes back, it becomes harder to treat. So the responses to whatever treatment you use are lower.
These treatments have really shown benefit in improving patients' lives and both quality of life as well as increasing the length that they live. I think that ultimately is our goal for all our patients.
Now we're testing them in combinations, in earlier phases of disease, and after cellular therapy. So we're trying all these different strategies to not just use them, but also to how can we use them even smarter and better. We've been able to move bispecific antibodies to the outpatient setting, which has been huge for patients that you don't have to stay in the hospital for a week, for example, to be monitored. You can go home, you come into our day hospital, get your treatment, and are still closely monitored in partnership with us when you're at home. I literally had some patients where we were discussing hospice, and we were able to get them on our clinical trials, and it changed the course of their lives. And they're in remission years later, which you could imagine as a cancer doctor is incredibly gratifying.